Hello, my name is Fabián Pantoja. Now I am going to answer the following questions. When are you going to travel? I am going to travel in January. What city or place are you going to visit? I will visit Machu Picchu, Peru. Where are you going to stay? I will stay in a hotel near Machu Picchu. What are you going to wear? I am going to bring some clothes and a good camera. Who are you going to invite to that travel? I am going to invite to my wife Claudia and my two children, Sofia and Fernando. What activities will you do in that place? I will take a walk around the place and take many photos. How much money will you spend there? I will spend 5 million pesos. Will you bring any souvenirs from your vacation? Oh yes, I'm going to bring many photos with my family in Machu Picchu. Thank you very much.